Well, hello. What are you doing? Are you eating cereal? Here. Say, ah, open your mouth. Oops. Okay, I'm just making a mess. Here. Oh, Daddy's poking his head in there. Oh. We lost most of that one, huh? Landon. You're like, what am I supposed to do with this thing? Here. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Good job. I think that's the first mouthful you actually ate. Here. Oh, you're getting the hang of it now. Yeah, good. Oh, yucky. You're getting a bath. Oh, yucky.
What are you doing?
Here. Do you want a bite? Open your mouth.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Yay!
Wow.
You're doing it now, aren't ya? You couldn't figure it out there for a little bit. Not the fist. Here. You gotta take your fist out. Here.
It's like I like my finger.
Here. You want a bite? Are you trying to tell me you're done? What are you doing? Is that funny? You think you're funny? You are kind of funny. Yeah. Here. Open. Ah. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
There went that bite, huh? Okay. All done. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.